Digital marketing's role in brand building. Digital marketing has become an essential aspect of modern business operations. As more and more consumers shift their attention to the digital realm, companies must adapt their marketing strategies to meet this new reality. One of the key ways in which digital marketing can help businesses is by building and strengthening their brand. In this article, we will discuss the role of digital marketing in brand building and the various tactics that can be used to achieve this goal. What is brand building? Brand building is the process of creating and nurturing a positive image and reputation for a company or product. This can be done through a variety of methods, including advertising, public relations, and customer service. The goal of brand building is to create a strong and positive association in the minds of consumers, so that they are more likely to choose a particular product or service over others. Why is digital marketing important for brand building? Digital marketing is important for brand building because it allows companies to reach a large and diverse audience at a relatively low cost. Additionally, digital marketing channels such as social media and search engines offer a wealth of data and analytics that can be used to understand consumer behavior and tailor marketing efforts accordingly. Strategies for building a strong brand through digital marketing. Develop a unique brand identity. One of the most important aspects of brand building is creating a unique and consistent brand identity. This includes developing a logo, brand colors, and a tagline that represents the company or product. It is important to be consistent across all digital marketing channels, including social media, websites, and email marketing. Create high-quality content. Another important aspect of digital marketing for brand building is creating high-quality content. This can include blog posts, videos, and infographics that provide value to consumers and position the company as a thought leader in its industry. Additionally, search engine optimization techniques can be used to ensure that the company's website and content appears at the top of search engine results pages. Engage with customers through social media. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram offer a wealth of opportunities for businesses to engage with their customers. By creating and sharing interesting and relevant content, and responding to customer inquiries and feedback, businesses can build a strong and positive relationship with their audience. Use influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a powerful tool for brand building, as it allows businesses to tap into the audience of a well-known and respected individual in their industry. By working with influencers to create sponsored content or product reviews, businesses can gain credibility and exposure among a targeted audience. Measure and analyze your results. Finally, it is important to measure and analyze the results of digital marketing efforts in order to understand what is working and what is not. Tools such as Google Analytics can be used to track website traffic and conversions, while social media analytics can provide insight into engagement and reach. In conclusion, digital marketing is an essential aspect of modern business operations and plays a crucial role in brand building. By developing a unique brand identity, creating high-quality content, engaging with customers through social media, using influencer marketing, and measuring and analyzing results, businesses can build a strong and positive reputation among their target audience.